Hi guys, my name is Mary. I am co-owner of Hello Mary Lash Boutique. I've been a lash artist now for over 5 years. I sell product and I also do trainings.
Hi everyone, I'm Sarah. I go by Boss Artistry. I've been lashing for 3 years and I've been at the boutique for almost a year now.
Hi everybody, my name is Giovanni Mota. I'm co-owner here at Hello Mary Lash Boutique, and I manage a tax and business consultation firm. Been doing that for the last 8 years.
And in today's video, we are going to be talking about our upcoming lash workshop coming soon. We started Hello Boss Lash Academy in order to serve and pave a way for our fellow beauty professionals in guiding them to a path of empowerment, leadership, and inspiration for their future endeavors.
Our intention for this course is to prepare lash artists like yourself to be 10 steps ahead and not to make the same mistakes we made when we first started out. So what to expect with HBLA? It is a 4-day event. We do have the option of a morning and night training. You will be trained by 2 professionals, me and Mary, who are hosting the class itself, and then we will have 4 other professionals teaching every group of 5, so that way it's more intimate and hands-on, and they can teach you the ins and outs and their own techniques and tricks with the lash industry.
So I've taken a number of courses and none of them ever really taught me what to do as a business owner once I started lashing. That's why we have specifically designed this course to give entrepreneurs like yourself the tools and information you need to be 10 steps ahead of the game.
And that's why we've added a 4th day to this crash course. We've added a business startup crash course that will be focused on tax planning and compliance. Here you will learn everything you need to know about how to optimize your taxes, how to keep track of your expenses, the forms you need to file, and the rules you need to follow. We will also touch on the different types of business entities and which one will be the right one for you. One of the problems that we see daily with such a fast-growing industry is the lack of resources and education available for entrepreneurs like yourself. We've designed this course to tackle all the points relevant to the lashing industry, so whether you are an established business owner or starting up your business owner for the first time, you will have all the tools you need to set up your business for financial success.
So it's important to take these classes, whether it's HBLA or other lash courses, to further your education, not just as a person, but also as a future business owner. I believe that learning more about your skill and perfecting it will bring you further in the long run.
So this is why we created HBLA. We felt the need to provide resources to entrepreneurs like yourself. There's no information out there for you girls, and it's hard to find, it's not cheap. So we really wanted to do something different. We wanted to not just teach you how to lash and how to have a better technique, but how to be a better business owner, how to be a better entrepreneur. So this is why we created this. We want to add value in the areas that matter. We want you to know about taxes, what forms you need to file, how to keep track of your expenses, and what can and can't you write off. Those are very basic things, and you'd be surprised at the very few number of entrepreneurs that know about these things. We want you to have all the tools to succeed financially and in your business as a whole, and this is why we created HBLA.
And bringing on to values, it's not just being a valuable lash artist, but being a valuable person. So we want our course to be able to teach you guys how to manage yourself and how to run a business properly. And with us, you are able to do that, and you have master techs helping you along the way with training, with all the ins and outs of this industry, not just how to, but what is lashes. So we want to be able to provide you guys with that knowledge.
And being where we are today, we wanted to get together and just create a lash academy curated for lash artists and aspiring lash artists to take those 10 steps ahead and to be the best lash artist you can be.
If you ain't learning, you ain't earning.
Period.
Thank you so much for watching.
Make sure you like our video.
Make sure you comment what you would like to see next.
And don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned.
Bye!